In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online. Marking an invoice as paid keeps your books accurate, helps cash flow reports reflect reality, and makes it easy to see which customers still owe you. I'll walk you through the exact path in QuickBooks Online and share a few quick tips so you feel confident every time you record a payment. Start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. Look to the left navigation panel and find the area labeled Sales and Get Paid. This is the hub for everything related to customers, invoices, and payments. Clicking it narrows your workspace to just the tools you need for receivables. From there, choose Invoices. You'll see a list of all your invoices along with their current status, like open, overdue, or paid. If you have a long list, use the search bar or the status filters to find the specific invoice you're working with. Taking a moment here to confirm the customer, invoice number, and balance due will prevent mistakes later. When you've identified the correct invoice, select it and click Receive Payment. This opens the Receive Payment window already tied to the customer and the chosen invoice. QuickBooks will typically pre-fill the amount due and check the invoice you selected. If the customer is paying the full amount, you can usually proceed as is. If it's a partial payment, enter the amount received and ensure only the relevant invoice line is checked, or adjust the amount applied so it matches exactly what you collected. Before you finish, review the details carefully. Confirm the payment date matches the day you actually receive the funds. Choose the payment method such as cash, check, bank transfer, or card, and add a reference number or note if you have one. Most importantly, select where the money is going under Deposit To. Pick the correct bank account if you deposit payments one at a time, or select Undeposited Funds if you group multiple payments together before taking them to the bank. Double-check that the invoice you're marking is selected and that the amount applied is correct. When everything looks right, click Record and Close. QuickBooks will save the payment, link it to the invoice, and update the invoice status to paid. You should now see the balance for that invoice at zero and a clear record of the payment in your books. That's all there is to it. Go to Sales and Get Paid, open Invoices, choose the invoice, click Receive Payment, review, and record and close. With this workflow, your receivables stay clean, accurate, and up to date.